Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a drop-down list with multiple selections in Excel step by step. Start by typing out the list items you want in your drop-down. Pick any empty column and type each option in its own cell, one below the other. Once you've got your list typed out, click on the cell where you want the drop-down to appear. If you need the drop-down in multiple cells, select the whole range now. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click Data Validation in the Data Tools group. The Data Validation dialog box will open. On the Settings tab, click the Allow drop-down and select List. You'll see a source field appear below it. Click in that source field, then go back to your worksheet and drag across the cells that contain your list items. You'll see the range reference appear in the source box. Make sure the In-Cell drop-down checkbox is ticked so you get that drop-down arrow in your cells. Now here's the critical bit. Go to the Error Alert tab at the top of the dialog box. Uncheck the box that says Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered. If you skip this step, Excel will throw an error when you try to add a second item later. Click OK to close the dialog. You now have a working drop-down, but it only allows one selection at a time. To enable multiple selections, you need to add some VBA code. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor. You'll see the Project Explorer pane on the left showing your workbook structure. Double-click on the name of the sheet where your drop-down is located. A blank code window opens on the right side. Paste your VBA code into that code window. The code you'll need is a private sub-worksheet _change routine. Most tutorials provide this code ready to copy. Once it's pasted, look for the line that specifies the cell range, something like range C2:C20. Change that range to match where your drop-downs actually are. Close the VBA editor by pressing Alt plus Q. Now save your workbook. Press F12 to open the Save As dialog. Then in the Save As type drop-down, select Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook. You'll see it shows the .xlsm extension. This step is mandatory. Regular Excel files can't hold VBA code. Test it out. Click on one of your drop-down cells, select an item, then click the drop-down again, and select another item. The second selection should appear in the same cell, separated by a comma. The VBA code runs automatically whenever you change a cell, appending the new selection to what's already there. A couple of quick things to note. The code typically prevents duplicate selections, so if you pick the same item twice, it'll remove it instead of adding it again. Also, when you reopen the file, Excel might show a security warning at the top. You'll need to click Enable Content for the multi-select to work. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.